Hello and welcome to Sparks of Curiosity. I'm Lisa. So it's been a long summer, and I'm pretty sure the last video I posted was my Lego stop motion video, which I didn't even film this summer. I filmed it last year, and me and my mom haven't got to editing it, so we just did it.
No.
So we just did it this summer.
No. We did the Mark Rober's boomerang card.
Was that actually after the stop motion? Oh,
yeah, it
okay.
is.
And we did film this one this summer, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did.
okay.
And then we did
And then
you
what did the t-shirt one after that?
yeah.
Wait, have we even released that one or is it still private?
It's released.
It's released? Okay.
Yeah.
What was the private one that we had?
That's the one that's private.
Okay, so you released it? Okay.
Yep. So, yep. What are we gonna do today?
Today we are going to be doing, hold on, let me grab it. Okay. We are going to be doing a KiwiCo box. We're going to be doing Succulent garden. Basically, there's the instruction sheet. Okay, so here, step one. Okay. There it is. Okay, so now we gotta add the tape here. Okay. And then bend. I thought I'd be like, I'd act like I'm super strong. But no, just.
What happened?
I can't. No, the biggest one.
What do you mean?
The biggest
one?
spike. The biggest spike.
This one?
No,
Oh,
yeah, that one.
Okay.
Thanks.
Are you sure?
Unless there's two rolls of tape in there, then yes.
So what are you supposed to do?
Peel it off.
Peel it off?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. There.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
You started.
Thanks. Pretend that didn't happen, and I peeled it all the way off all my base by myself. Yay!
No, I did it for you.
Okay. Don't listen to her. Okay, so we take this wire here, and we take this thing here, and then we take the wire and we go bam. Okay. I got it. I'm assuming then you go like this. Okay, so yeah. Even though it doesn't say it, mine doesn't look like there, so let me just. Look how it's doing.
Oh, it looks great.
Thank you. This one looks much harder. Oh, never mind, it's the same thing. This one looks much harder. Oh, never mind, it's the same thing. Take out the purple thing. Then I just take this and go color it. I'm almost done with one side of it. Wow.
Press record, right?
Yes, I pressed record. Basically just do the same thing that I did with the last one. Take out the tape. Wow, this doesn't look right. Does it? Look at it. So beautiful. Definitely looks like a real succulent. But yeah. So we do the same thing as this. Back to painful process of making jade plants. Good enough. And in total we got these. Wow. Okay, what's the next one we're doing? That looks annoying and hard. These, the dark ones, I'm pretty sure. These ones, though. What we first need to do is place them. Oh, wait. Yes. Are these the same size? Oh my god, I'm so glad they're the same size. Okay, I've done all of them now. I'm just adding the tape on. I grab my wire. I'm just gonna peel it as I go. It's too hard to peel it piece by piece. Roll it. I got this. It's not that good. I do have to say. Well, I mean, if you look at it like this, you could sort of see it, right? What's next? That looks hard. Nope, no, just kidding. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. We need purple paper. Oh, I forgot to make the other one, the green one. Okay, so I finished it. Now I can work on the thing. And then as you go along, you like puff it out. Okay. Mama, I want to show you something that I just made. Look.
Oh, it's so nice.
Looks more like a flower than a succulent to me.
It does.
Okay. What thing's next? Making the pot, finally, okay.
How long do you need?
A little bit longer.
Pretty long battery.
Oh, can you plug it in? To take this?
Why is my computer going nuts?
Peeling it?
That's weird. What's going on? Wait.
Okay, so the computer's low, so I'm just gonna quickly do this as quick as possible. Quickly. Okay. Going as fast as I can so it doesn't run out of batteries. Oh. Put it in. And then we can chuck these in now. Let's push. So this can fit. Wow, so cute. Actually, love this. Okay, so what's after that? Go quick. I'm done.
Are you closing now?
Okay, so this is this. Wait,
We're at 2% battery. Hurry.
okay, so this is the succulent garden, all complete. I think it's really nice. And there was another part where we can add clay sculptures, but I'm not going to do that because I think it's perfect just how it is. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.